Hey everyone, welcome back. मैं हूँ Jojo. मेरे
और
साथ
मैं हूँ
है.
श्रुति.
Yes. We are going now to a song from one of our favorite Kalankar artists. It's Rashmeet
अच्छा,
Kaur.
रश्मित. हाँ.
Score is in the house. So it's her new song with
अच्छा.
Gurbaksh. Gurbaksh, I'm gonna say. Gurbax. And Deep Kalsi is also mentioned here. Let me see what
गुरबक्स.
lyrics by Rashmeet and Deep Kalsi, composed by
हम्म.
Rashmeet and Gurbaksh. Artists are Rashmeet and Gurbaksh. The track name is Oceana. Oceana.
ओशियाना.
Mm.
I like it.
Mm.
Different it is.
Yeah.
ओशियाना.
Music
Let
produced by
us.
Gurbaksh. So very excited.
हाँ.
It says here, have you loved? Have you lost? Have you risen stronger because of the same? Oceana is then a song that speaks about you, a song about the emotion, a song about the pain. Rashmeet Kaur returns in a brand new avatar along with Gurbaksh in Oceana, a song about heartbreak and how one feels when they're unable to let go in the relationship. Do you
Ah,
do you stay
okay.
because you love the other person, or do you break free because you love yourself more?
Oh, हाँ, okay. The
Relatable
conundrum is strong
for
in this one.
everyone. Huh. Good
हाँ,
stuff. Let's do it.
चलो, super.
Ready?
Ready, ready.
Okay. One, two, three, play.
फिर तुर पे आओ से राते जिथे मिलदे आ बेपरवावे सारे खो जांदे हासे इश्के दी बाजी लाके हंजू पल्ले रह जांदे कसमां खांदे टुटे आए बार बार वे हंजू पल्ले रह जांदे कसमां खांदे टुटे आए बार बार ए दिल डुबड़ा जावे एनू समझ ना आवे दिल डुबड़ा जावे एनू नजर ना आवे बीते ने दिन किन्ने गईयां पर यादां नी हंजू ना कड्डे अखां ने ऐसी कोई रातां नी जिस्मां दे हानी किन्ने सच्चे दिलों लानी गल हो जानी पुरानी कौड़ी लगनियां बातां नी पल पल मैं सोचा कि वे पल मैं गुजारा तेरे बाजों के वे यारा हर कड़ी मैं बितावा मेरे माही मैनू दस जाकी कीती है खता जेड़े हंजू ना कड्डे अखां ने ऐसी कोई रातां नी दिल डुबड़ा जावे एनू समझ ना आवे ओ दिल डुबड़ा जावे एनू नजर ना आवे
Man, Rashmeet Kaur is going on another level.
Hmm.
I'm completely in love with her. Like I love her voice, this song का lyrics, okay, एक एक करके. सबसे पहले तो lyrics की बात करते हैं या पहले video की बात करें? What do you want to talk about?
Let's talk about the lyrics. It was her and
Okay.
Deep Kalsi who wrote the song.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes. What, like the depth and the beauty of those lyrics, the way they were written, and without really pointing fingers, like usually in love, it's so easy to point fingers at somebody, and in the lyrics, that comes across, कि आप गुस्से से किसी को बता रहे हो, या आप सिखा रहे हो, all that. Nothing. None of that was there. It was so beautifully presented, so nicely spoken. The angst which one person, like how you read earlier, right? That, the song is about self-love versus, the love for the person. And that angst came out in the lyrics stunningly. Like, well done. In ye jo Deep Kalsi and Rashmeet ki jodi hai na, for different things that they're doing, it's just mind blowing, yeah. Like, and of course, like, we'll come to the music and the other bits later. But what did you feel about the lyrics?
I was, like you said, I was like it's so high on emotion
Yeah.
that you're kind of feeling every line, and you're like, well said, well written. That is happening,
Yeah.
and the pain is coming across so nicely, and it's kind of the kind of thoughts that anyone would have had who's gone through a breakup, probably, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
all
yeah.
that is coming across very strongly and beautifully. And then I was thinking in my head, are they the same people who did Daru Hor Piya De? Like, and I was like, what is this
Wow.
versatility? I love it.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's like we can go into any zone and we can crack it.
Just
And
master it.
yeah.
Yeah.
So those were the thoughts in my head. As far as the lyrics go, I'm not completely in that zone where I will vibe with the song on an emotional plane, but
Yeah.
it was just a beautiful, like, it was just even if you're not in that zone in your life or this thing, you can still vibe with it and relate to it, because everything about this as a package is just so hard hitting, and like it gets
Correct.
through. It gets through.
Yeah.
So
it's very difficult to not feel the song, because visually to we'll come to later, because visual jo iska tha, that was like sealing the deal. Okay, by chance, agar aap nikal rahe ho the side se, no chance, come back in, dekho ye wala gana Avni ka, right? Lekin visual will come to later, but musically and in the singing also, it's the different breaks, the different tonalities, the different way the entire composition had been created. It is very capturing. You want to listen to it, and you want to, like you said, even if you're not really in that zone of heartbreak and feeling it like that, but the way the placement to such that jab aap sun rahe ho, it's that whole vibe. And ek to Punjabi mein jab ye aise beautiful wale soft melodic gaane hote hain na, they hit,
I agree.
at least to me, they hit another level.
They do, because there's like, it's just a beautiful language, and you can really express the emotions, especially heartbreak wale emotions, so nicely, and they've done that, and
so gently. I loved it. I loved that. It was so gentle.
It was gentle. It had, she showed her, like, her range as a singer through all the portions of the song. There were the places where she held back and went in a low pitch, and then there were places where she went and took it into another zone and went high. Then there were places where they added this reverb sort of effect thing, and that was working so beautifully. It was just like, you as an artist, she's going into a very solid sort of, like she is what do you call it, Jhanda Garna in her own sort of zone.
I think creative, experimental, her own zone, like all of it put together and doing it really well. And still maintaining her own identity. Like, now we've seen enough of her stuff that every song to the other, her personality and her presence is coming across so strongly, that who she is, that this must have been her thought, that this must have been her input into this, and which is why it is. There is this common thread, like you said, कि ये वही वाला, just sip कर रहे थे, these the same people. But that had still that Rashmeet quality about it, which is common running even in this song. So it's amazing that she's like, really establishing that kind of a screen presence through, and it's getting through to us. Clearly, we are like feeling it and sensing it. It's coming across, right?
Yeah, it's absolutely coming across. Because she's kind of, we'll come to the video, but my last thing is, she's kind of just saying that, I'm like multifaceted, and I'm going to show you all the faces I have as an artist, and I'm going to do them, so like, I'm going to put it across in such a beautiful package that you can't ignore my work at all. You're just gonna fall in love with it, and that's exactly what's happening. Because everything that we watched of hers or heard of hers, I'm just like, and she's got that voice. I've said this before and earlier. She's got that voice, that tone, that texture. That is, it can be folksy also. It can be pop also. It can be classical also. It can just take on all these different avatars and is
like,
is
I feel
amazing.
she's filling this one space especially in the Indian music scene, which was really right, which
there was a void.
Which was missing. There was a void, and she's totally filling it. Like,
filling it.
It's like you see that and say, yes, thank you. Like, finally, yes.
Yeah. Love it. As you we are fangirling big time.
I'm totally fangirling.
Video and the music, Gurbaksh and the whole thing. Okay, you go first.
Okay, video mein, first thing that hit me was the different concepts and the different ideas without making it too obvious. Like, if right now I ask you, what was the heartbreak situation that she was going through? They didn't at any point show violence, but within frames, it was very clear that it was a domestic abuse situation, or it was a within the relationship abusive situation. It was shown so beautifully.
Just a toxic
exactly.
relationship. Yeah.
And that shot where she's sitting with her lovely 2 tattoos on her shoulders, and she's got these bruise marks on her chest, and that face, oh God. And the makeup has been done so beautifully, right? Like, it's that, and the whole mermaid feel, I think all the metaphors that have been used, that she being captured in that, stuck in that
glass
tank, the glass tank thing. So basically, she's stuck in her own mind, where she's confining herself. She's hoping that the man will come and kind of rescue, but or she's actually stuck, but he just doesn't, he's choosing not to. So it's just the multi-layers of emotion that were shown through the video, not just to make it look pretty, but actually tell you
symbolic.
Like, yes, everything was so in sync with the lyrics and the thought and the idea behind it that it worked beautifully. She's obviously looked absolutely stunning, and she's carried off even those really, like, mermaid banke letna, it could have gone wrong in a very royal way, but like, she did it brilliantly, and the entire team, they've just done it really nicely. So I mean, jitne bhi effects bhi dale hain, डाले हैं, हाँ, लेकिन अच्छी तरह डाले हैं, So I just completely loved it. I just loved all aspects of the different zones that they have shown her in. And ek to generally her hair, I'm twinning with her hair also a little bit.
Yeah, so the first thoughts with the red, I was like, aha, twins.
I know, but just beautiful. Yeah, the video was very, very nice. Complemented the music really nicely, and she carried it off like flawlessly.
Yeah, I mean, props to the Filmy Boys team and unit and all of them, because they put together a brilliant. This is one of the brilliant videos to come out in recent times, and the makeup artists and the hair and makeup department deserve a special applause, man.
Superb.
Wow.
Very
well was just wow. And I don't know if it was symbolic, but she had the sun tattoo here and the moon tattoo here. I don't know if that had some similar, there was just a lot going on visually. Then there was the whole makeup with the crying. There was, I think the red and the orange hair kind of just signified my head is on fire and I need to get out of this situation. For me, I was reading a lot into every element after a point. Because I was like, there's so much happening here. The glass tank where she's inside and she's clearly running out of breath and she can't breathe, but she can't come up and take a breath. She's looking at the guy thinking, okay, he's gonna shatter this glass and get me out. And he just stands back and he smiles and has a smirk, right? So it was just whoever storyboarded this and had all the idea for this whole thing. And she's looking in the mirror and there's that whole fight scene going on, and it's just it was just execution also and ideation also, hats off, very nicely done. And I have to say the music, Gurbaksh, seriously, it was so vibey, and it was so I've heard I've heard different artists in the indie scene and even in the sort of electronic music zone and all of that. But for me, this was something completely different. I was just I don't think I've heard this kind. And I think it was a combination of him and her on the track, her vocals on music like this, and the way it was mixed and the way it was all.
The way it all came together.
It all came together. There was the way there were different switches happening while still maintaining the I don't know. I feel like I am not able to put into the right words, but this was just I don't know. I want to explore his stuff more now.
What a beauty it was. What a beauty.
because I feel like when the right kind of artists collab with each other, it just is a treat for anyone who listens to the outcome.
It's
and the
magical.
product.
Yep.
So I think we fangirled a lot, yeah. How long have we been talking?
एक बात रह गई. I love that the गाने का नाम is Oceania because not that word was not used. And it is true that all the elements were extremely flowy and very, and you know, the ocean also has that whole significance of the brain and the inner world, which is going on. So the fact that they didn't, was the word Oceania used within the song at all?
I don't think I heard it.
Not really, na? Which is
now I'm thinking.
Good.
I'm trying, yeah, because I mean the lyrics were in Punjabi, and I didn't
hear
recollect. Oh yeah, I can't recollect hearing that word. So maybe I don't know if there is like symbolic stuff even there that we have missed, or you know, because our brains are now just on overdrive whenever we do a reaction, trying to try to decode everything we watch. So maybe we are overthinking things. But if there's anything we've missed or not gotten,
yeah, you know, but what I think about it, see, as an audience, as a person who's watching it, the way I think and the way my brain functions, I will perceive it like that only.
Yeah,
right?
That's true.
Whether they intended it as makers or whether other people are getting it the way I get it, I don't think that's the question. I think it is what I'm perceiving and getting out of it and sharing that. Yeah, simple.
Yeah. I think at the end of it all, it's a very empowering song. That's what you walk away with, even from the visuals and even from the lyrics themselves. So in that sense,
it puts forth that question of how much abuse are you willing to take before you will put your foot down for yourself, or that, you know, that self image created of nahi प्यार के लिए हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, हाँ, लेकिन कौन सा प्यार? Because it's true.
Self-sacrifice is not a virtue. Let's just, you know, love yourself first. That's it. End of story. So yes, that's so chalo. On that note, we will take your leave. Check out his Bola's website. It's linked below. And love yourself and take care of yourself. And we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.